Welcome to Ask and Learn.
So this statement right here tells us that it's going to be greater than or equal to the lower bound of n over 3. So what that tells us is that if we wanted to say do a triangle, this would give us, we would just need one guard essentially, because g of 3 equals 1, which would be greater than or equal to 3 over 3, which is just 1. Then, for example, if we do 4, it's going to end up being the same thing, and so is 5, we saw. So g4, g5, because it equals 1, that's greater than or equal to 4/3 when we ground it or floor it. It's just going to end up being 1.333, but that goes to 1 because it goes to the lower value. So that's why it stays there. But then once we have g6, then it's going to equal 2. So if we look at the comb that is drawn, we see that this one, for example, has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 sides, or 12 vertices. And based on this, since we know it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 sides, we know that it's going to have, it's going to need 4 guards most likely. And that makes sense because if we have one here, we need one here to see in here, we need one here to see in here, we need one here to see in here, and we need one here to see in here. So that would be the maximum case, but of course we could have, a 12-sided figure, whatever that is, 12 sides, and then if the guard was here, it could obviously see everything. So this is honestly just the worst case scenario. This is best case scenario.